What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, before we get started in this video, I want to, just inform you guys that the grass pollen is very high this morning. Um, can't breathe out my nose, so it's definitely going to be a little bit difficult to get through this video, but I feel like it is important because it's a project that is created on base, that has utility to it, that has some popularity to it already, and honestly, it's tradable in many different areas, so you're looking at some popularity that can come with it. So I wanted to get a video out about this project because it looks like something that could be promising. Now, just know you take everything I say with a grain of salt. And as you're investing into this position or you're investing into any positions, know that you're making that decision based on your research, not just mine, right? You should have many different people that point out things that maybe you don't see, but mostly it should be through your own research. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of those links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Now, don't forget about the links for Toshi. I will provide all of those links in the description, at the top of the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Now, there's been a lot of hype nowadays around dog coins, right? It's all about dogs. It's all about frogs as well. And, it seems like dogs obviously are leading the market. But we have seen some hype around cats, right? Cat in a Dog's World, I believe, is one that's making a move. And then we see this position, which is Toshi. I want to talk about this play. I want to go through a cat coin that could be taking over that side of the market, the meme coin market, as well as some utility that comes with it. Let's talk about it, guys. Check out the website. I will provide this link down below if you want to check it out with me. Toshi, welcome to Toshi Town, the face of base. Now, also, there's been a lot of hype around the base chain, right? There's been hype around things that are created off of Binance or Ethereum, right? Things that are created off of the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum chain. Things that are created on Solana, on Avalanche, on Base, and Base definitely hasn't seen as much action, but should see a lot more action, right? You have Brett, that's kind of that main runner of Base. I have invested in some other things, but Brett is like kind of leading that area, and Toshi could be the one that does lead from here on out. So if we scroll down here, you're going to see that, welcome to Toshi Town. Let's get into some information. Toshi's tools. Check out Toshi's toolbox to help guide you on your journey to build on base. All tools are open source and permissionless. Get inspired and start building. Meow. Now, this is coming soon. This hasn't been released yet, but it is coming soon, so look forward to that. Learn more about each Toshi tool. Multi-sender, you have the token locker, you have liquidity locker, you have the swap, token launcher, launchpad, so many different places to the Toshi's tools that you can use and learn more about, right? Obviously, swap, you know what that is, where you're able to swap for different coins, different projects, different things that you believe in right now. Market focused trading simplification. By redefining a tax token trading mechanism, Toshi Swap offers a more efficient and user friendly experience. It ensures market stability and encourages healthier trading dynamics, benefiting the entire community with its forward thinking design. So that's definitely a big deal as well. That's something that's coming soon. They do have their official links on the website. I will provide links down below for, obviously the website, so you can go to these official links as well as the Twitter. But they have their Twitter, they have, their Medium, they have the Coin Market Cap, Coin Gecko, things of that nature. If we look at their Twitter, you're going to see they have 42.6K followers, so they definitely have some popularity, some hidden popularity that maybe people don't know about. But they also have a business check mark. So that's a big deal as well if you're looking for something that is looking to take that next step, right? I feel like a business check mark just means a little bit more than a regular blue check mark, right? Yes, you are paying for both of them, but this one just means that obviously you're a business and you look at it that way. Now, Also, I wanted to go into the position and show you where it is because obviously there's questions to where you can buy it. I think if you wanted to understand how to add base to maybe your MetaMask, you could learn how to add base. You can learn how to bridge to base as well as buy Toshi directly on there. However, there are multiple places to where you can buy it. So if we go over to CoinMarketCap, you're going to see that currently this stands at a $101 million market cap with $1 million worth of volume, about a 1% volume to market cap ratio. It also has all of the supply that is out there. 97% of the supply is actually released, which is definitely a big deal, meaning that you're not going to have any dilution within the position, which does tell me that it's investable at these levels and you can see a lot more growth at these levels. Now, if we look at the last day, it is down by 10%. We are seeing the last 7 days down by 24%, 31% for the last month from the 29th of uh, what's the last month? April. If we look at the last year, we're seeing it up 620%. So obviously it's at a way higher level than where it did start, but you are seeing a retracement from these levels, meaning that right now it could be a good buying opportunity at these levels where we currently stand, right? So definitely go ahead and check that out if you guys are interested in it because it may be at a good level to purchase compared to being at these all-time highs. And if you think you're going to break through these all-time highs, then it could be something that obviously benefits you in the long run. Now, also, I wanted to go into where you can purchase it, right? If you wanted to know where else you can purchase it, you can go over to markets on CoinMarketCap, and you can see that SushiSwap, you have BigX, you have CoinX, you have Bitmart as well, Uniswap version 3. You have 50 different pairings that you guys can partner it up with and hopefully see some opportunity with, hopefully see this grow. But it definitely is a little bit eye-opening, right? Because it has that level of popularity that you don't typically see here, right? And I don't know how long it's been around. It's been around for a while, so you're seeing that popularity come up recently. And if you were invested in the beginning, congratulations for getting that return and making that money out of it. But it definitely shows that if you stick around with something and believe in something and believe in the team, that it could be something that does work out in your favor in the end as an investment, as well as being a major part of your normal strategy, your normal use. If you wanted to swap, if you wanted to lock up, if you wanted to do whatever you wanted to do with those, whatever they offer. But yeah, I want to know what you guys think about Toshi because on base, right? You look at this, you look at Brett, you look at not many other things that are in the $100 million market cap. So I want to know what your opinion is on Toshi. If you believe in this position, it looks promising to me. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of those links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. And don't forget about all of the links for Toshi. I promise you, you guys want to check it out. And you want to make that decision for yourself because then that'll determine how much you want to invest, whether it's 100, 1,000, 10,000, $10, whatever it is, you're looking to make that investment and see that benefit. But guys, I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.